Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use the help menu to check the details of any particular library in Python. Yeah, so in order to show that, let me just open the terminal and then Python. Yeah, so here you have to type help, open and close parenthesis and hit enter. So and then if you type modules, it will show the complete list of available modules in Python. Yeah, here we have, as you can see here, so all the modules. So if you want to see particularly say for example JSON module, you just have to type JSON and hit enter. That will give you all the details related to that library or package. As you can see on the screen, name, file, the path details, module documents, description, and if you scroll down a little bit, it has package contents and classes related to that library, and also it gives the details of functions which are present in this library or module. Yeah, if you want to exit, you just have to type q and it will come back to help menu. Thanks for watching. Yeah, enjoy.